Just going to go over some of the questions in the appreciation depreciation exercise. Okay, so looking at number 3, shares in a company have appreciated by 11% over the past 5 years. If we're talking about something appreciating, if it's appreciated, it has gone up, so we add it on to 100. Let's do 100, add 11 is 111%. 111% is a decimal. Dividing it by 100 is 1.11. Okay, so that's my multiplier. That's what I'm going to use. It's been for 5 years, so we do it to the power of 5. They initially were worth 86 pence. I'm going to change that into pounds. I'm going to do it times 0.86. You can do it as pence. You just need to then remember that your answer is in pence. So 1.11 to the power of 5 times 0.86. Get my calculator up. If I can get it to move. There we go. Okay, we're doing 1.11 to the power of 5 times 0.86. That's 1.4491 and so on. Because it's money, let's take my decimal point. I'm going to round it to 2 decimal place, so it'll be £1.45. We'll do number 4. So number 4, caravan bought in 2000. No, try again. Caravans bought for £2,300 in 2009. It's depreciated by 7%. What's its value in 2011? If it's depreciated, it has gone down. So we take it away from 100. So 100 minus 7 is 93%. 93% as a decimal. I keep writing the wrong thing. So 93 divided by 100 is 0.93. We've gone from 2009 to 2011. It's 2 years. So we're doing 0.93 to the power of 2 times 2,300. 0.93 to the power of 2 times 2300 is 1,989.27. £1,989.27. Okay, number 5. Because these are different amounts, so this second-hand car depreciates by 10% the first year, then 8% the second year. We need to do it as 2 separate years. So when we're doing the first year, it goes down by 10%. If it goes down by 10%, I'm left with 90%. 90 as a decimal, keep going to write percent there again, shouldn't be, is 0.9. It's just for 1 year, so we just do 0.9 times 4,400. Which is 3,960. The second year, it depreciates by 8%. So we do the same thing again, but this time we're taking off 8, so we're left with 92%. 92% as a decimal, dividing it by 100 is 0.92. It's just for the 1 year, so we don't need any power, but it's now worth 3,960. So we times it by 3,960. My calculator up. Just realised I did that last one on my calculator that I've got sitting on my desk rather than the one on here. Sorry about that. So 0.92 times 3,960 is 3,643.20. So 3,643. £3,643.20. Okay, last question then, number 6. Piano costs £3,000. It depreciates by 18%. And the rest of the questions just missing off the screen there. There we go. What's its value after 4 years? So it depreciates, so it goes down. So we take it away from 100. 100 minus 18 is 82%. 82% is a decimal, is 0.82. we're talking about after 4 years, we do to the power of 4, times it by 3,000. Power of 4 times 3,000 is 1,000. I've done that in the wrong calculator again. Let me do it in this one for you. 0.82 to the power of 4 times 3,000 is 1356.3. It comes out 3652, so on. It's money. So we're going to round it to 2 decimal places. Okay. Any other questions, please get in touch.